Locate low Zen on the back of your right hand just before you get to the knuckles between the index finger and your middle finger, right about here. Now press in till you find a tender spot. It could be just a little bit higher or a little lower or off to one side. Stimulate the point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. Next, find low Zen on your left hand and do it again. During or shortly after stimulating low Zen, you might notice a sensation of heat or energy in your hand, arm, chest, or neck. This is normal and temporary. After stimulating low Zen, take a few deep breaths. Open and close your hands, stretch your arms, and just notice they might feel more comfortable and more flexible.